the third statement, which is prepared after opening statement of affairs and closing statement of affairs, is the statement of profit and loss. This statement is used to calculate profits and losses made by the business during the year. And obviously, it is used for businesses who are maintaining accounts under incomplete system. So, the format goes like this: statement of profit and loss for the year ended. In particulars, first of all, we'll write closing capital. That is as per closing statement of affairs. Then students, once we have written closing capital here, we'll add drawings made during the year. Add drawings made during the year. Whatever the owner has withdrawn would be added back. This is what we call as adjusted capital. Thereafter, in this adjusted total, we will deduct any additional capital. ADNL is supposed to mean additional capital introduced by the owner during the year. That is additional capital introduced during the year. And lastly, we'll deduct opening capital. This is the capital that we had calculated from opening statement of affairs. Statement of affairs. And after adding drawings, deducting the additional capital and deducting the opening capital for the year, the final figure that we'll get is profit / loss during the year. That is, in case it is positive, we have made a profit during the year, and in case it is a loss, then the owner has incurred a loss during the year, and loss is reflected by negative value here.